Hello guys, welcome back to my channel PS Tech. Today we will learn about fillets. I have created 4 bodies because there are 4 types of fillets. Okay, so we will use one by one. Okay, so let's get started. There is the constant size fillet. Okay, it's mean we need a click on edge and simple we will provide the radius just like 10 mm. Then click on OK. Okay, this is the constant size fillet. Okay, now we will create a second fillet, that is variable size fillet. Okay, so click on this, then click on this edge. You can see here v1 v2, it's mean this vertex and this is v2 vertex. Okay, we need 5 mm v1 vertex. Okay, on v2 vertex we need 10 mm radius. I need 5 mm here. This is the variable flat. Okay, got it. Now we will do a face flat. Okay, for the face flat we need to click on 2 faces, just like click on this face and click here, then select the second face. I will choose the 15 mm radius. Okay, got it. Now we'll use the last flat, that is full round fillet. So click on full round fillet. There is the 3 options to choose the face. Okay, so first of all we will click this face, then click a middle face, then click on third, it will be a side face. There is no need to put the radius. Okay, because it will automatically full round surface like this. It is full round like this. Okay, so one thing more I want to show you in the fillets in simple. There is the symmetric. You know, symmetric. What's the meaning of symmetric? It's mean it is symmetric. Okay, and there is second option is asymmetric. Asymmetric mean we will click on this. Okay, as you can see here, I need 15 mm this one and this one 10 mm. Okay, like this we can use the symmetric and asymmetric feature. Okay, and one more option is remaining in this fillets, that is click on this edge, multi-radius fillets, 10 mm. Okay, 5 mm, 15 mm. With this feature you can create a multiple fillets. Okay, so e this was the easy tutorial for fillets. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel and comment also. Okay, thank you.